Hey y'all. Hey. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. And I hope y'all having a good day today. I'm having a great day. Everything is lovely. Okay? Y'all see what's on the screen. Everybody see it. Today, we are going to be making Nescafe coffee. Okay? So this is going to be my review on it. This is the first time me buying this brand. So I'm going to do a review on it today. So let's get started. All right, y'all. So let me just tell y'all something. So I'm not a big coffee fan like I used to be when I was a kid. However, I do have those days where I do want some coffee. And normally it's the frozen coffee from like Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. So I love those places. I also go to some other little local places around town. So today I'm wanting some coffee. And I said, you know what? It's raining. I don't feel like going nowhere. This is why I keep stuff like Nescafe, like instant coffee, in my kitchen. Okay? So I got my this to show you how much coffee I used to drink. Y'all, I got my own Dunkin' Donut cup. This is how much coffee I used to drink. So I do love it. My granddaddy got me started on it when I was a child. He had a barbershop and he would have that good coffee brewing for the fellas that's coming in there getting their haircut. So this video is near and dear to my heart because I'm thinking about my granddaddy every time I drink coffee. A day does not go by that I don't think about my granddaddy and some coffee. So with this video, we are going to go directly by the instructions, since this is a review and I want to do it just like how they say. So this is, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of coffee, 6 to 8 ounces of hot water, stir and enjoy. Boom. You can't get no simpler than that, okay? Very easy. So let's get started. I'm going to pour in my hot water. And I really need to get me a kettle, y'all. I want to buy me a kettle so bad, but something just keeps telling me you ain't going to use it. You just going to push it to the side. So I have never owned a kettle. Don't judge me. Don't y'all do it. Don't do it. All right, so let's get this coffee open. So I want to show y'all how it comes. Ooh, it's on there tight. So it comes with a seal on it. I like that. I like when stuff comes with a seal. I may have to get a knife and cut it open. So I got my little knife so we can get that started and open it. Oh my gosh. Y'all, now that is one thing I do love. I love the smell of coffee. Yes, Lord. Y'all just don't know. Y'all dealing with a real coffee drinker. Just not as much. Okay? All right. So, let me bring my little coffee mug. All right. So, this is 1 teaspoon. And now, this is the directions that's on the jug. Now, of course, if you wanted to add more, you could. Because some people, I'm going to tell y'all, I live in the South. People in the South, we don't play about our coffee. I'm going to tell y'all that now. We don't play about our coffee. So, some people, I can pretty much tell you, they're not going to go by the instructions that's on this thing. They're going to probably put 2 or 3 teaspoons or a tablespoon. So, let me just taste this to see. Okay. Yeah, that's enough for me. It's strong enough. So now, so that's the basic steps of how you make Nescafe Classico instant coffee. Now, from here you can add to it, take away, whatever you want to do. I'm going to add to it. I'm going to be, for my creamer, I'm using my almond milk creamer. Okay, I love this stuff. I love this stuff right here. So I'm going to drop about a tablespoon in my coffee. And y'all, I used to like my coffee to look like milk. I never wanted to see the darkness, so I'm going to pour a little bit more. Okay. And when I'm using flavored creamer, I don't add sugar because the flavoring is already sweet enough. So let's try this. Y'all. So y'all, this is how you make Nescafe Classico instant coffee. I wanted to do a review on it because I've never had this kind before. So, but I know there's some people out there who really got some recipes for you for their coffee. So this is what I'm bringing to you today. I hope you try Nescafe. It's really good. I mean, it's something to keep in the cabinet. And I'll post a link to where you can buy Classico if you wanted to. I mean, Nescafe if you wanted to buy it. So I hope y'all have a good day. I hope you like this video. If you want to try it, let me know. If you do, like, share, subscribe, and I hope you and your family have a very good rest of the day. I'm going to drink me some coffee and look at the view. Look at me some news. I'm going to enjoy my day. I hope y'all do too. Bye.